Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started with buying inside AliExpress. So AliExpress is a giant marketplace for incredible low prices, but buying safely and effectively requires a strategy. So you can just click the first list you see, or maybe not. So this guide will be showing you how to bet sellers like a pro. The first thing is to betting the seller and the product. So do you know by so far how to go directly here into aliexpress.com? You can change the actual language into the upper right corner, which is the language. You can change it from English, go for safe. Usually what I do is to go for the upper right section which says sign in or register and go for the option that says sign in. Let's try to avoid the offers for now. Why don't I focus only for searching the right product and searching for the accurate, let's say the best price. So the filter number one is that you can filter the results, of course, but the filter number one is to just focus directly into the upper section where it says look out for the actual product. Now to filter, always check the box for up stars which says here all the categories. Let's say for example that I just look for example for one specific element which says let's go for Pokemon. Directly here into Pokemon, for example, here let's go for sort by. Into the left section here is all my actual filters. So there's a lot of tempting products, yes, but we wanted to focus for the actual right one. For example, to the left section here, we have the quality and trust. Let's enable the quality and trust. The second filter is to sort by the number of orders. So here, let's say for example that I scroll a little bit down, more category, the color, the material, the occasion, the item type, the brand, the origin, the location, the release year that is possible, and the accessories time shipping from. Now, the third one, for example, is to click to the product and scroll the feedback section. This is the single most important step, right? So, understanding the shipping options, for example. Let's say that I just focus, for example, into this kind of element, which is usually the brand. Let's go for Manezo only, for example. Usually there's like not so much product so far, but you can just click into one that you liked the most. So here, for example, I can select one product and let's talk a little bit more about the shipping options. Shipping is where most new buyers run into trouble because you want, of course, to always click the shipping drop down to see the actual options. The free shipping option is the cheapest, but it often uses a slow, untraceable method, sometimes taking 60 days or more. So you want to avoid this unless you are not into an actual hurry, right? Something else that you can be focusing on to select your preferred method and process the item directly here into your cart. So once you are into the cart, well, let's say before you focus into the cart, make sure that this one says sold by. This one has really great communication, really great shipping speed, and really great item I describe it. Shipping to your current address, and the free shipping is that it usually says from 10 days, and the fastest delivery, and you can go for buy now. Something else to check out the actual reviews, check out all the verified purchase. If there are people who upload their actual product with an actual photo, this is going to be really great because you can see how it actually looked the product when they make the actual purchase of it. So go for the option that says add to the cart. Now this, once you are into the cart, you want to go to the cart, right? So enter your shipping details and choose where you want to receive your product. Your payment information is secure as AliExpress holds the money until you confirm it's received. Now this is your safety net because AliExpress holds your payment under a buyer protection guarantee if your item doesn't arrive within the estimated window, or if the product is significantly as not described, you can open a dispute. So you have 15 days after the buyer protection period ends to open a dispute and request a full refund. So to succeed AliExpress, just make sure that you go for checkout. Usually have extra discounts. Here's the subtotal, here's the shipping, and here is the all faster checkout elements. With this being said, we can now hit into the option that says purchase, and you're actually good to go. So remember that to succeed into AliExpress, remember to check the seller score, real photos, pay for faster shipping, and use the buyer protection system if needed. So With this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video. So what is the next coolest gadget you bought from AliExpress? You can let me know into the comments below. There's a lot of products that you can purchase and they're really low prices. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you guys next time.